it's mostly on the narrative, eh.
Mm.
Hangga't kaya nilang pugsain yung totoong issue sa narrative, nasisira kasi parang nakita ko yung playbook ng mga Duterte. When
Mm.
somebody is claiming that Duterte did something wrong, first they're gonna do is to assassinate the character of that person.
Actually,
Di
diversion tactic, eh, yung, ginagawa, eh.
hmm, parang I don't know if you remember, owner and CEO of, Rappler. 'Di ba
Yeah,
nung panahon ni Duterte, they actually try to demean at siniraan yung
correct,
karakter niya nung panahon na kinakasuhan siya.
correct.
Tapos napag-alaman ngayon dito sa huling update sa kaso niya, eh, yung, if I'm not mistaken, Inspector General or yung, Attorney General ng Pilipinas, they're asking, I think Supreme Court or, Appeals Court o ang
Mm.
korte sabihin na natin, that they're
Mm.
asking na tanggalin yung, parusa sa kanya or issue sa kanya sa korte.